Hello grade 10 students, hope you're doing fine. In this video, we will check out the project and how we can solve it, and I will help in the first 2 points with the two functions, slope and distance. So we have to write a Python program using functions and input variables to help in solving geometry problems. It's about orthonormal system. Example, having points A and B with their coordinates. We have to calculate the slope first, and then the distance. Let's go to the compiler directly and see how we can do it. If you remember, the distance formula has a radical or a square root. So I'm going to import math library to use it later. Import math. Let's start by printing or displaying a general message for the user to know what to do. Enter coordinates of 2 points as follows. x1. So to take input from the user, and the input can be a decimal point, so float, input x1, sorry for that, notice that the library is marked with a green line because we didn't use it yet. Now y1. So far we took the coordinates from the user of the first point. Now second one. So I declared 4 variables with input values from the user. Now let's start with the slope. And here we don't need parameters. And why is that? Because I have them as variables. So directly return, to remind you, the slope is rise over 1. So difference in y over difference in x. Let's check. I'm gonna add a free text message saying the slope of the line is, then comma, call the function. Let's try it. Suppose that point A has coordinates of 2 and 5, point B of 6 and 12. The slope of the line is 1.75. So we're done with the slope function. Now the distance. Also, we don't need parameters here because we have them as variables. Return. To use the square root from the math library or the radical, we have to put the class math dot sqrt of, and the formula for the distance is the square root of difference of y squared plus difference of x squared. So y2 minus 1 minus y1 power 2 plus x2 minus x1 power 2. And here print free message, free text method, sorry. The distance of this line is, and then comma distance function. And here we can take this command, and it's better to call the functions after creating them. So here this part creating the function distance, and here creating function slope, and in this line I'm calling the first function and the other line calling the second function. Run again. Let's see, point A of 2 and 5, point B of 6 and 12. So the slope is 1.75 and the distance is 8.06. So here we're done with the slope and distance. Do it yourself now, and we'll continue the second part in the next video. Thank you.